Against the backdrop of a study conducted by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute that India has become the world's largest recipient of arms while South Korea is second and Pakistan and China are tied in the third place, Bharat Verma, renowned Indian defense analyst and editor of Indian Defense Review, said India has long been a major purchaser of weapons and China has now dropped to fourth place, attributing this to improvements in the country's arms industry and its rising arms export. He spoke exclusively to NNIS. Speaking exclusively to NNIS, Bharat Verma said the volume of China's arms export is increasing, largely because Pakistan is importing more arms from China. He added, an ambitious plan of military modernization is one of the steps to further strengthening its position to establish itself as a major player on the world scene. The modernization of armed forces in India has not done in the past 3 decades, but because the country is facing a lot of security threats which are multiplying at a very fast pace. So the Ministry of Defense have passed some deals and which has resulted that the deals are coming in the same time, and it seems that India is the largest importer and it looks like a huge buy. But this is not true. If you divide it in the past 3 decades when there was no purchase of the arms, then you will see that India stands nowhere in front of Pakistan and China. Our neighbor countries, especially Pakistan and China, are keeping a close watch on our activities and want to grab our land. Pakistan wants Kashmir and China is interested in the northeastern part of India, especially Arunachal Pradesh. China forcefully grabbed Tibet, which was an independent country, and claimed 90,000 square kilometers of Indian territory to protect the flanks of Tibet. So these types of countries attack with more than one way. Our finance minister is lying that he has increased the budget by 17% because last year the dollar was 45 rupees and this year it is more than 50 rupees. And if you do the calculation, there is no increase in the defense budget. And if we compare our $28 billion budget with the China's budget of $106 billion, then we do not have any comparison with it.